Hey everyone, M1 Shadow here. Today I have a Philly cheesesteak sandwich for you done on a cast iron. Now my goal here was to get as close to an original Philly cheesesteak as I could. The only difference is this is being done on a cast iron as opposed to a flat skillet. So let's get started. So here we have the cast iron pan. It's preheated and it's on medium heat. Let's get some butter in there and swirl it all around. Next, what we have is 1 green pepper, 1 small onion, and probably about 2 handfuls of mushrooms. We're going to go ahead and put that in there. Then what you want to do is go ahead and mix these around and let these saute for, I want to say, about a good 15 minutes or so at least, and just keep stirring this every couple minutes. So here we are about 10, maybe 12 minutes later, and you can see these are nice and soft now. So let's go ahead and make some room on here. And now we're going to throw, I got about 1 pound of shaved steak. We're going to throw that on there. Preferably you want to use ribeye, but any shaved steak will do, but definitely ribeye is probably the best choice. So here we are about 2 minutes later. We're just going to go ahead and mix everything together now. Let's get some seasonings in here. What we got is some black pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, and this is very important. We got some Worcestershire sauce. Shout out to PBJ Vintage Cooking Videos or something like that. I actually took that tip from him, and it actually definitely makes a difference. And at this point, let's just keep stirring it until we know that that meat is all cooked, which should only take maybe about another 5 minutes. Last but not least, the cheese. Some people will say Cheese Whiz, others provolone, others American, and the way they do it a lot of times is they go ahead and they separate it and put the cheese on it. I have a different way of doing it, but anyway, I'm throwing on American because I think that's the one that tastes the best, in my opinion. So, get some couple slices. I'm going to put probably about 7 slices on there. And then what I do is I just go ahead and I mix it all up. And actually I'm throwing an 1/8 slice of cheese on there because I just think the cheesier the better. At this point it looks ready to put on a sandwich. And here you have it. Our Philly cheesesteak is done. Let's give it a taste test. Wow is all I could say. Honestly, I can say this is probably one of the best I've ever had. And you've got the recipe for it, so give it a try. As always, I do want to thank you all for watching and have a good one.